Okay, guys. Yeah. Let's check our London session. Yeah, let's check London session, guys. Let me just share my screen so we can start. I wanna change this title thing because I wrote 2020 by mistake, so it's supposed to be 2025. Yeah, I hope the sound is coming out nice, guys. Please comment if the sound is not coming out nice. Yeah, let's see, guys. Today's CPI, guys, and yeah, we need to take out the best of us, man. We need to chop this thing, man. You understand? So, if you're missing out this thing, man, today, you're gonna see problems. Today's CPI is gonna be nice, man. I feel it. So, if only you're trading with the right broker, because these days it's a matter of you trading with the right broker. You understand? Because now what is happening is that these brokers they tend to abuse you guys the most. You understand? So that is why I recommend trade 245. Man, the treatment is special that side. Man, you understand? So yeah. Okay, let me share my screen so we can start. Man. Guys, please comment if you can hear me properly. Because if you can't hear me properly, then I, I don't think I'll continue. If you can see anything here, because I'm about to share my screen now. Yeah. So I hope everyone can hear me now. And I hope everyone can see what's happening on the screen. Please leave a comment there if you guys can see everything. Because if you guys don't actually see anything there, then how would I know if you guys don't see anything or you guys can hear me? Please comment there. So yeah, let's communicate, guys. Let's work on this. So yeah, I hope everyone can see the screen. So yeah, yeah, I'm about to start now. Let's check. I'm gonna start with German 30 because I feel like German 30 is the one that's gonna be moving perfectly at 9 o'clock. Understand soon. Yeah. Let me see. Today's CPM. Today's it's actually a big day. You understand? It's a nice day. The sun is out. It's moving. You guys. We, seems like opportunity, you understand? Every day is an opportunity, so you must appreciate that. Appreciate that, guys, and put in the work. Yeah, guys. I hope everyone can see the screen. I hope everyone can see the screen. If you're new to this channel, guys, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. You understand? Make sure to subscribe to this channel. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, what is happening is that we have zones here. Okay, yeah. Let's check. Let's see what is happening. Okay, we have a zone, perfect zone. Um, and here, s- screen is blank. Nah, the screen is coming out nice because I'm using the other phone to actually see this. Screen is blank. Come on. On my side, the screen is coming out nice, man. Serious, on my side, the screen is coming out nice because I'm using the other phone to actually see this. I'm on YouTube on my other phone, so I don't know why. I'm concerned about the sound. Eh, nah, because on my side, the screen is coming out nice. I don't know, guys. Can someone else comment so I can see this? If you guys can actually see what is happening here and you guys can see perfectly, because someone is saying the screen is blank and on my other phone everything seems to be perfect. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We can see now, bro. Shout out. Okay, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Let's see what is happening. Yeah, from there you can see that I've actually identified my zones. Then from there, obviously, we need to do what we need to um focus on what is happening currently, which is this trend. We need to identify this trend perfect. This is a 1 week time frame. You understand? So uh, this is the okay. From there, let's move to 1 day time frame. See, let's check what is it that the 1 day time frame has for us. So I feel like here on 1 day time frame, we just need to adjust there. But I feel like here it's a zone here. I feel like there's a zone at this point, and because meaning looking at this point, man, let's adjust everything. I feel like once the market touches a certain point, the market tends to be moving instant. So this is a zone, man. This is a zone. This is a strong zone. Guys, remember yesterday what German did? The market actually pushed to the top. The market actually moved during London session of yesterday. So even today we expect the same movements. You understand? So let's push on that. Yeah. So looking at the current perfectly above this certain zone because definitely you get to see where the market is at now. So the market actually has to respect this kind of a zone because now this zone it become a level of support, you understand? So yeah, so from there let's move to 4 hour and remember the structure of these the structure remember we are actually sitting on this, we are actually heading to 90%. Remember that here the market actually retested, so it has to come to this point. Remember this was a what here, this test of the overall. Remember here the market went to this is the structure. the market will actually create a down. You understand? So looking at the current market price currently around 10 o'clock now, I mean, we're looking for more buying opportunities on German 30. You guys, this is clean. Feel like here, this one is clean. But ish, you know what's the problem? The problem comes when we are here. Let me show you. What's the problem about this gap, man? So this gap, man, ish, is the one that's gonna give us problems because it needs to be covered. You understand? But currently, if you can look at the current market price, the market is above that certain zone. And remember, what's more important about these zones, ne? Um, these zones we actually apply them as a support and resistance. And remember, what you need to do, you need to actually take your buying opportunities on the support. That's the market theory part. You need to be taking buys on the support levels, and you need to be taking sales on the resistance level. And this zone, psychologically, we take it as a support zone. You understand? So remember, on the support, we take buying opportunities. So currently, we can't be taking selling opportunities at that point. Remember, what's more important when you're trading and what's so on is you understanding when you're taking that entry. Understand? That one is gonna build you so much. Because looking at that point, I have reasons why I'm taking buy. Say even if it takes me out, and this is what I did. This is what I did wrong. This is what I did right. You understand? So next time you'll get to make things better or right. You understand? So yeah. So guys, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Yeah. I hope everyone can see what is happening here because 8 minutes left, I think. Let's check. Yeah, guys, me, I'm looking forward on buying opportunities, man. No lie. Here, I'm looking forward for buying opportunities. I'm just looking for buying opportunities. That's all, man. This one has to be buying. Then we understand if it takes us out, then we understand that okay, now it's actually coming back inside. But currently, is on a zone, strong zone that the zone that we've actually identified on the bigger time frame. You understand? Like this every day, guys. And I don't go against the strategy. I always stick to the strategy, and it's doing the most for me. Understand? Do what actually does the most. Understand? So yeah, every time just go with what you see. So me currently, what I see, I just see the market pushing to the top, just like that. So I'm gonna send the signal in the group now. Not in a free group, because what I can tell you guys about the free groups, now, what I've actually noticed about the free group is that people don't appreciate that side. So I it's a matter of me working with people that want to work with me. You understand? So yeah, you're just lucky if you're on this live. If you're on this live, you're getting this signal for now, for New York City. I'm in London session now. Yeah, this one he has to buy. Just hoping he has to buy. Looking at the setup, it can just you can just hold until it pushes to the top. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Oh, guys, yesterday, a German 30 pushed to the top, man. But I'm not saying we are actually repeating the same thing that happened yesterday. Remember, the market is all about the predictions, man. So, we, actually, there's no one that knows the next direction. We all predicting. We all there's no one that knows the next direction. Because remember, here is you understand, we are fortunate enough because on the market we have the past data to actually use to actually predict the future. You understand? So, yeah, we are like. Other than that, if there were no previous data, nah, eh, we're gonna be seeing problems. But now, this is what is happening. If it breaks the hair below, there's gonna be a problem. But nah, it has to respect. If it doesn't respect that one, it has to respect this one. But certainly at that point, there's a zone. There's a zone. So I'm just putting it there because I understand that this is where the current market price is, and this is where our entries could be because now it is 57. Uh, okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Um, 58. 59. So let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see how it's moving now. Let's just aim here and see. Probably there's a zone there and there's a trend line. So if it takes this trend line, it's gonna be another trouble. You understand? So yeah, let's check. Probably at the point, man. So yeah, let's see. Let's be patient with it because I feel like it's very slow, but it's still on that point. You understand? It's still on that point. 6 to 15 in C. Let's actually relax with it. Yeah. Okay, let me adjust this to here. If it fails to pass, if it actually pass this point, man, just know it's coming out actually not perfect, I can say, because now we are sitting on this trend line, but the idea is to push this one perfect. Let's adjust. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let's relax with it, guys. Still on the same point, it did not perform, but yeah, it has to perform. Sometimes, what I understand about the sessions, that sometimes they cannot like perform at that point straight, but at least give it like 10 minutes. Understand? Just open your trades and relax. Understand? So let's relax. Sometimes it can play like that and take people out. Understand? So it's just a matter of us being patient with it. Because currently is strictly on the trend line, so let's relax. Okay, let's check another one. Let's check another thing. um let's check Nasdaq and USDT. Let's go check those ones. Yeah, but you can see how this week the market goes and so on. This is the latest or what so on. We've analyzed the market have been on the same points and what so on. But yeah, just have to adapt with what is happening. So yeah, let's check Nasdaq, because sometimes Nasdaq now can, like you can see, it did not move. It has to be moving around half past or not so. But even this one, I don't feel like it has given us that movement. You can see the market has been on the same point since. You understand? Let's check those ones. This one, if it doesn't react on that point, it has to react here. Because sometimes there could be like pullbacks. You understand? The market can start buying and come back and like for pullbacks. You understand? So yeah, things like these they happen. So yeah, let's relax with it. Okay. Then let me check what. Let me check. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's check your stage. Stage here. I don't feel like it's gonna be moving perfectly. Like performing. When I'm saying moving, I'm saying like it's gonna give us the momentum. Because what's more important about these sessions is you understand. So the momentum is the change of speed in a initial period of time actually. So yeah, let's check this one. And remember, when I start with the one with time frame, you can definitely see the direction of the CPI. If you are wise enough, if you're strong enough, so but strong, you won't see it. So yeah, let's check use the Nasdaq. I mean Nasdaq. Let's relax with it. Here we had a what? We had a simple breakout of these. Then here we had like zones, you can see. So yeah, yeah, this is a zone. Remember, we need to highlight it perfectly. So for our time frame, let's see. Okay, this is a strong zone. Perfectly, this is a strong zone. Now they still have to be pushing to the top. For now, let's remove this. You can see we still have the same setup because we are actually we trust this strategy more than any other else. So let's go with this one again. This one Nasdaq has to be pushing to the top. Guys, me I'm still seeing all the buys, man. The problem is here, man, the gaps. Hey, the gaps they are the problems there. So bottom frame, so you get to see everything that is happening now. You're still pushing to the top because of that certain zone. That certain zone is gonna be giving us the buying momentums. But you can see how the market has been moving. The market has been consolidating on the same area. But yeah, the market has to be pushing to the top. On Nasdaq again, I see buying opportunities. Buying opportunities are very strong. Are very, very, very strong, guys. Buying opportunities are very strong. Very, very, very strong. So yeah, just have to relax with it. Let me adjust this. But for you to be on the safe side, you can see this is a 1 hour time frame. So let me switch to 50 minutes. Just for wait for it to actually reach to this point perfectly, so you can take buying opportunities. Let me yeah, you can see it has been conscience, but just wait for it to actually reach this point in order for you to take your buying opportunities. You can just take your buying opportunities once it touches this certain point. Let me show you here. But it's not gonna take time for it to reach to this point. It's just 15 minutes time frame. Just be patient with it. Then we are pushing to the top. You understand? So yeah. Okay, this is a nice one. As I told you guys that me I like to go for like short things. Like I don't like holding in stuff, you understand? So I'm gonna just wait for it to reach this point in order for me to push with it to the up. Understand? So yeah. Let's check German 30 because I told you guys that we need to be patient with German 30 because sometimes if even if it acts in some type of ways. Where's that German 30? I have two German 30s. Or what's happening? Where's my German 30 now? Not this German 30. We were not on this German 30. Come on, what's that German? Mm. Wait, what's happening? Let's use 30, okay? Yeah, let's go USDT. Let's go USDT. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, USDT have to be pushing to the top. Yeah, USDT. Let's push to the top and Nasdaq. 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 Wait for Nasdaq. Just wait for to be on the safe side, guys. Just wait for it to reach to this point because we believe that this is the point that's gonna give us the bigger movement. Nonetheless, it's gonna give us the bigger movement. So just wait for it to reach to this point. Understand? So what's happening on gold? Yeah, gold respected our setup, guys. I told you guys yesterday about the about gold. You can see gold moved as predicted. You can check the previous videos. Gold moved as predicted. I told you guys that gold is becoming nice these days. I'm not afraid of gold, man. These days, I don't know why, but I'm not afraid of gold. Gold, but how it is moving, how it's moving, ish, you can see, man. You can see how it has been moving. It has been actually too weak to move, but in overall, it's respecting everything. You understand? So this is one thing that you need to understand about this. So it has to push to the top to this point, but it's gonna take time to reach to this point because how it has been moving up and down, up. Understand? So yeah, guys. Remember, guys, for the broker that we're using 3245. Just make sure to click that link on the description of this video to sign up. Remember, we're having giveaway of 1,000 rand. So whoever who's gonna be linked under me, I'm able to see the emails and also on, and make sure to contact me that you've actually linked under me and so on, or you registered using the link on the description of this video. Then just uh text me using the numbers on the screen. Understand? And also for the mentorship, just make sure to text me using the numbers on the screen. Understand? So I do offer also one-on-one. So yeah, understand. So it's just a matter of being in a good business with us. But yeah. So remember we are entering what? Let's check. For now, if you wanna have a good entries, man, I'll advise you to go for let's check. Sometimes you don't have to rush, man. We are not in a rush here. We just have to be straight. Like, okay. Um, yeah, I'll say use stitch. Yeah, use stitch. I feel like it's more like that. It's very slow, man. So it's gonna be taking time to move, but it's very slow. It has to be pushing to the top. Yeah, USDT definitely buying opportunities are very strict now. Are very perfect. Just make sure to take your buying opportunities at least aim this point. USDT buying opportunities currently are very strong. Yeah, it's moving now. We're on the bias on the stage. Yeah, usage, let's push to the top. Yeah, guys, today's CPI, man. So I'm gonna be sending the video of the direction in this on this channel. You understand? So yeah, guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified once I drop a video, and also when I go live again. Understand? So just make sure to do that. Subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and watch the previous videos, man. So it's more like advisable to watch our previous videos to understand everything. You understand? So yeah. And remember the broker we're using 3225. Just make sure to click that link on the description of this video. So yeah. Yeah, this is clear, guys. Check the setup, man. Just check the setup and see how we can go to here. You understand? It's too much. So yeah. We have to be pushing to top now. So let's go, man. Yeah. I'm inside. On this one I'm inside, guys, again. So yeah. Yeah, let's try to be patient with this one. You steady? Yeah, we get to this movement. So like yeah. Because I don't know if it's only me, but on all the indices, man, the pies are very strong. But the reason, actually, the funny part is that we have a gap. So, but I'm pretty sure I'm not alone on this, man. All the technical traders, they're confused now. They're confused. So, it's just a matter of you being. Okay, breakfast. Breakfast food. Yeah, guys. I was saying, I don't know if it's only me or what's on, but if you can check on the indices, we all sitting on the price line. But the problem is that um we have gaps. That's one thing that we are actually confused with. We have the gap, but those gaps that are below the zones. And this is one thing that I've never seen before. But you just have to go with what the market tells us, because like if you can get to a theory of the gaps, we will say the market has to fill those gaps, but the market is above those certain zones. So is the problems now, and all the indices except, let me check. I'm not sure about German 30 for now, if it has simple gaps that can be filled now. But those other stuffs, Nasdaq and German, I mean Nasdaq and USDT, they have the same gaps on the same point. So it is the story that one. Can see the 90% of this one has been completed, because looking at how the market has been moving, literally pushed to the top. If you can watch our previous videos, man. I told you guys about the market will be pushing to the top in our previous videos. The market was here when I analyzed this type of thing. This is the market was definitely somewhere. I told you guys that here, somewhere there, and what's all will be moving to the top, strictly pushing to the 90%. You can see all the 90% of the given us a breakout retested here, and this one also we have a breakout and retest check here, the retest of this is here. You understand? So out, retest, push to the top. Broke out on this, retest, push to the top. Understand? 90% has been completed, but now looking at the current market price, the market is actually above the certain zone and the certain highest point. So this it becomes our current lowest. Understand? So I can just say from that certain point, this is where the actually the buying opportunities are, and go with what the market tells us. This is the strong support level, and to be on a paper just there and there. You understand? So yeah, it's the skill. So we just have to adapt with what get man. It doesn't matter you are alone or you're with the have the skill. If you don't see anything here, much how you. It's all about prediction. We are all predicting here. No, there's no one who knows the second direction. Don't let them fool you, man. It's all their hard work. It's all the hard work. This is what I've noticed about the market, man, these days. It's all the hard work. So on this or on German 30, I might just wait for it to come to this point because there's a chances of it coming to this point in order for it to start pushing to the top. You can just aim for this point at least. These days you're not aiming big, guys. You're just aiming small. Steady results are the ones that are perfect. We are not aiming big. Don't aim big here. The market will reverse on your way to TP. You can see how the market has been moving. So, ish, we are actually we're no longer on the risk. We are out of the risk now. So, ish, so we need to play smart now, guys. The market is updating every day, so you need to update every day. Also, you need to play smart every day. Understand? Show up every day uh, with a better mindset. Don't come here with the mindset of trying to, I don't know, those, you know, your mindset. It's not so when you think other people controls the market. No one controls this thing. This here, there's someone has to try it first. At first here, I tell you guys that me guys, even when I see someone leaving my group, I'm like, ew, definitely. I mean, finally, some here we are dealing with people, and people thinks this comes easy. There's nothing that comes easy when it comes to market. You need to sweat first. Eh, but what I like about you need to master yourself first again, guys. So this is what is important. This one thing that is important. Master yourself before you can do any other things. And understand first. Because if you don't understand yourself, man, are you going to understand me when I say this is where I'm actually going, or this is where I'm actually at? No, there's no way. So yeah, they've been to move. Uh, yeah, it's moving now. Yeah, it's on a safe side. It's moving as predicted. So let's be patient with it, man. Let's relax and be patient with it. Yeah, just it's moving slow, but it's respecting him. It's slow, very slow, man. So it's another story now, cause it's moving slow, but you just have to be patient. Guys, remember, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Yeah, they're all coming out perfect. It's moving slow. It's very slow. Like if it can grab that momentum and push to the top, we are. Oh, yeah. But I believe sooner or later it has to take out that candlestick that we wanted. That candlestick that we wanted. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, today's CPI, man. So we just want to see if you guys are winning. So if you guys are winning today, then we're winning in the future. You're winning every day. If you're winning today, I'm telling you guys, I'm the next big thing, man. I'm telling you guys, I'm the next big thing. Guys, guys, I got this. Yeah, got this. Yeah, probably this one is just moving perfectly now. But me, I want it here, man. I don't want it where it is. I want it here because you can see how it's moving. Oh, but you can see, guys, this is something that you need to look at. Check this point. This is a support and this is a resistance, this is a support below. You understand? So obviously it's coming from our support, so it has to come to this resistance in order for us to actually go with it to the top. Yeah, I'm gonna chop it. If it comes to this point, I'm not gonna miss this one. It's gonna be you guys, it's gonna be another story. Hey. And there's this other broker that wants to block me. I don't know why, but which means I'm doing something good for me, not for them. So I'm gonna keep on working. Yo guys, I feel like today is Friday. I feel like today is Friday and it's Tuesday. I feel like today is Friday. Now, yo guys, this is nice. Now let's check. But still on the same point, man. So it's very weak now. But yeah, it has to move. I feel like let me just update on goal. Let me just check the entry points because I feel like sooner or later it has to give us those entry points. But you can see the overall it's actually being respected. Yeah, because check here. I told you guys about this head and shoulder. Check the head and shoulder. You understand? So this is how it respected. The market was here. I told you guys once it touches here, it's gonna be pushing to the top. It literally start coming to this point and push to the top. Understand? But you can see how it has been moving. Almost took us out here. So yeah, yeah, nice and clean. Yes, guys. Let me just. I wanna analyze it. Hey, use the GPY, guys. Hey, it took me out last time, guys. The reason why I don't love this check, it did not respect this overall. It actually started respecting, but it sold and break out and gives a guys. When you're facing currency, hey guys, currencies are not good. For me, I don't know why, but they're not respecting mostly. Actually, the accuracy on the strategy when it comes to strategy. I mean, when it comes to currency, sorry. Maybe it's only me because I actually mastered current. I mean, indices more than currencies. So currencies are not yet mastered them. That is why I tend to see I chop indices more than like currencies. I love currencies when it comes to news. When it comes to events, I can analyze them and they give me the perfect direction because these ones they are the based one. Here's the GPU is the one. So let me start with 1 month. Yeah, but I feel like it's perfect now. Yeah, today is gonna be lead. I need to call my other bros. I'll be trading the session. I mean the CPI with them. So yeah, today I wanted to go to the office, but nah. I feel like this one has to be an outdoor event, not in the office. Need to be on the streets, man. So yeah, but one thing I'll tell you guys, this thing doesn't want noise. Our market doesn't want noise, man. I've realized that thing. If it hears the noise, I don't know if it's me or it's me only or other people. Hey guys, it is gonna chow you if it hears the noise. Uh, it's crazy. Yeah. Check this process, strong zone, strong, and it's a breakout on this overall trend line. Retest that here, and this could be a simple what? Simple strong resistance. Yeah. Guys, here we definitely pushing to the below, but let's focus on it. Let's break it down perfectly because here it's a hidden zone here. So when they time frame, let's check. Uh, but this zone, now this one has to be cancelled because now it's gonna get confusing if we this one. Wait, guys, you see when it comes to currencies, that like this one is moving, but the zones, man, eh, you get to have like so many type of zones, but you'll understand that okay, this one sometimes the zones here, yes, they're working, but this thing is they're not promising these zones from this. Yeah, yeah. It's just you guys have that mentality of oh, when we trade currencies, we tends to be making money. Nah, here what's important is the lot size, man. But I feel like we're gonna be on the safe side once we come to this point, or at that point currently, because this is the one day time price. Here, what's matter here? It's the lot size. The lot size, it's the one going. Looking at the previous, we like the 90%. The 90 rules here. You understand? This is a retest here. For now, let me remove this one because we keep giving us a break out here. So yeah, this is for our time frame on the GPY, and this one obviously it's a what? It's a complete of a downtrend. So what is happening here is that the market is moving up with an impulsive, and you can see. So just need to highlight those ones so that we'll understand what is happening currently on the current market price. Man, again we have a gap. This is what confuses us again because we have a gap. But this one is perfect because we have a gap and the current market price is below the certain zones. So the chances of it start coming to this point are too high. You understand? But let's go with it. Let's move with it and see. So let me highlight this perfectly. But here, remember, we 90%. The market is to reach to this point, but it's a matter of us breaking it down and see the overall directions. But I don't feel like it's now. Nah, you can see how the market has been moving to the top. The market has been moving up with an impulsive move and correction move. So this one it's in another correction move. You can see, oh, this is an impulsive correction here. Impulsive move and correction. You understand? Impulsive move. So yes, South African time first two. So let's relax. I don't feel like that this gap is gonna be filled during CPO. Nah, this one is too far. It's very far. Like you can check even the momentum from this uh impulsive move. I understand it's very accurate. So we can keep on gonna go up the no matter what. So if you're trying to come here and reverse it, it's gonna show. So what happens that has to happen here. You understand? So yeah. So very nice setups. Not moving that much. Yeah, it's not moving that much. Yeah, it happens if like moving that way. It happens. So even USDT, there's been consolidation movements, not so on. So there's a chances of it to take out people out first in order for it to start moving to the top. It's all about the manipulation side, but we can't predict the manipulation. We have to be wise enough with it. You understand? Yeah. So let's wait for 10 o'clock. Let's just give it last 10 minutes. At least 10 o'clock. Get us to do something. You understand? So yeah. So let's relax with it because I can see. I can actually see also on here on what is it USDT. It's been quite moving in some type of ways, but yeah, it happens. Just to be on the safe side, you just have to relax with it. Hey, they're all consolidating, man. But yeah, here's the GPY. It's just a buy that current market price. It's just a straight buy, clean buy. So yeah, USDT. Let's check. Still on the same point, but trying to break this point, but let's adjust it perfectly. I don't feel like it's gonna break. If it breaks, then obviously they're gonna be taking people out and start pushing top from this point because it's been moving. It has been moving with an upside downs. Understand? So it happens. So don't just come here with the mentality of controlling this. It's gonna humble you. So yeah, let's just wait until at least 10 o'clock because I'll be ending this live 10 o'clock. Yeah, yeah, guys. Let's be patient with it. Ah, it's very slow. It's not moving. This is what has been boring now. So let's be patient with it. So, hey, what's happening here? Oh, when should this one is sitting there? Guys, if you are new here, guys, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, click that link on the description to sign up with the best 225. There's the broker you're using. So yeah, that's operate, man. What do you think about the zone on your stage around 42? About the zone, let me check. Around 42 what? 42 to 5, let's see. Where is that zone? I don't see that zone. Which one? I don't think I can see the zone that you're talking about. If I switch 1 hour, let's check. Thinking about this one here. Nah, this one I don't feel like it's a strong zone. The one that you're checking about. It's not a strong zone for me. Yeah, it's not a strong zone for me. And on Nasdaq, doing the 3 to 8, doing the 3 to 8. This one. Okay, about this one. Yes, this zone, it's a very strong zone. The one that you're talking about on Nasdaq, it's a very strong zone. But currently, we we need to respect the current one. This one is the previous zone, remember. So this is the previous zone. So yeah, zone. So we're gonna be talking about it when the market is below this. If the market is below the certain current zone here, then we're gonna be talking about this one. 4 hour time frame is gonna make the market is gonna take time for it to come to reach this point. So yeah, you understand. So USDT, USDT it's actually on the same point since, but let's see, man. Let's see. Let's look at it in a good way. Cause now it seems to be breaking this kind of a trend line. So, but you can see it's playing out, man. It's busy playing out, but it has to move, man. It has to move. Let's quickly relax with it. This thing is not moving today. After this, guys, I'll be trading on this. I mean CPI. Then I'm definitely out. Yeah, it's respecting. It's buying. It's buying. But it's very slow. I tell you guys, let's just wait for 10 o'clock. So now it's 10 o'clock. It's already like started moving with that candlestick that we wanted, but we really wanted. You wanted something like something bigger, yeah, and if, at least if you can reach to this point, you understand. But it's going there, man. Let's relax. But it's very slow. This thing is not moving. It's not moving. Last 5 minutes. If that candlestick, man, do what so or me, I'm gonna be losing because I. But let me just. I'ma just hold this one. I'ma keep. I'ma post the updates in the group. So yeah, I'ma post the updates on the group. So this one has to be pushing to the top. Yeah, this is very clean. But guys, the skill is too much, nah. You see, this thing is all about predictions. If you use the past, you can actually get the future movements. So look at this point. I tell you guys that once it touches that certain point or what so on, definitely this point has to give us that bigger movement. But yes, it is giving us that bigger movement, but it took long for it to give us that big movement. So let's relax. Because this thing now it wants us to listen to it, so we need to listen to what it tells us. Guys, me, I'm signing out. Yeah? I want to do some other things, some other stuff. So this one, I'm just gonna hold it like that until it reaches that point. Yeah. So I'm just let it clean. And also, my phone is very low, so I need to charge it. I don't know why it's very low. Yeah, but it's moving, man. Let's predict it. It's moving. It's just like it has to give us that bigger movement. You see, the candlestick that I was telling you guys about. That's why I told you guys that let's just wait for 10 o'clock so that we can definitely see that candlestick coming out. You understand? So that candlestick is there. It's giving us that type of movement that we wanted. You understand? So yeah, man. It's the skill. It's something that you can take away from me. So again, guys, for mentorship, just make sure to text me using the numbers on the screen, and also for the free signal group, the link is on the description of this video. And for yeah, I mean for the VVIP extension signals, the link is on the description of this video to text me. So yeah, this is what I actually wanted from USDT. Yeah, and now it's giving that kind of movements that we wanted. The momentum. Yeah, it's very nice. It's moving as predicted. So yeah, guys, let's push. Let's just push with it. So guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so that you will get notified once we upload a video, and get notified once we go live again. You understand? So yeah, just subscribe to this channel. Let's grow. Let's push, guys. This is one of the uh best thing that is coming. So yeah. Hey, where's the thing? Uh, wait. Me, I'm gonna hold on this one, guys. Hold. Yeah, guys. I guess we'll meet around half New York. I mean, New York. Yeah, New York session. So for now, let me just end this live. Thanks for tuning this live, guys. Meet you guys on the other side. So yeah, I'm your mentor, the Christian of Nas Faith Nasdaq. I'm signing out.